In this video, you'll learn how to use the inbox tracker in Mailercloud to monitor where your emails land. First, go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. While setting up your campaign, scroll down in the campaign details and toggle on inbox tracking. After enabling this option, the inbox rate will be tracked for your campaign and shown in your campaign reports. Once your campaign is sent, go to the Reports tab and select Regular Campaigns. From the list, choose the campaign you want to review. In the inbox rate column, click on the percentage value to open a detailed side panel. Here you'll see a quick summary of inbox placement, including how many emails reached the inbox, went to spam, or were missed. You'll also find a domain-wise breakdown showing performance across Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and other major providers, including whether your emails landed in primary, promotions, social, updates, or forum tabs. For a more detailed view, click View Report next to the campaign. Then, navigate to the Inbox Tracker tab. Here you'll see a comprehensive breakdown of your deliverability performance by domain, all in a clean, easy-to-read table. This helps you analyze and optimize your campaigns for better inbox placement and fewer spam triggers. That's how you can track and improve inbox performance using Mailercloud's Inbox Tracker. Happy emailing!